Federal Students Organization Kangleipak Fesok has appealed to authority concerned to intervene as Dhanamanjuri University (DMU) is facing critical conditions. In a press meet held at Fesok office, Kakwa, Vice President of Fesok Nameirakpam Rikesh highlighted that the university, which is 7 years old, has not yet attained full-fledged status. Rikesh emphasized the university's lack of infrastructure and staff, pointing out that despite repeated appeals from various student organizations, the relevant authorities have remained mute spectators. He further highlighted that although UGC has recognized the varsity, grants, projects for teachers, stipends for PhD students, etc. remained pending without approval from UGC. He stressed that this has led to issues such as insufficient projects for faculty and unpaid stipends for PhD students. Pointing out UGC guidelines, he maintained that such issues were supposed to be resolved within 5 years of establishment of the varsity. Furthermore, in December 2023, the UGC had directly addressed the university, urging them to recruit more faculty members to address shortage of staff. However, the government has failed to comply with UGC directives, resulting in DMU's inclusion in defaulting universities list issued by UGC on January 17. He further asserted that even though recruitment process has been initiated, there are reports of wrongdoings in the process. Indicating certain interference in the autonomous university affairs, he lamented that DMU has failed to issue a notice to appoint new vice-chancellor even after the vice-chancellor has retired. He further urged authority concerned to intervene and address the situation promptly.
Dhanamanjuri University asigi BC masamangna khudiyek piduna selection list thokraba ojasing ase ngasi phawwa offer form pibidabana maram oirakanda thabak join tawba yadaduna leiri karigidamakta tha makhai ama phajalaklaba selection list thokraba singasibu karigidamakta offer form pibidaduna thabak join tawhan bidribano haiba wahang asini Manipur Technical University MTU gi matangda oja laukiba matamdadi selection list thokpagi numit humni gi manungda offer form pibi rakana thabak join tawki MTU maru oide haibagi wan chade university osigi oina maru oiri basi faculty singje khaktarate non teaching staff singsuni adubu non teaching staff 169 gi post li hojik phawa karigi damakta haidok bidribano tasengna university asigi vice chancellor obirabiliba oja professor Rasmohan masamangna sonbadagira natragana Manipur lengak tagi haktheng nana khut thingjan gi yaungna thingjan badagi oiribra haiba wahang asini